बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम प्यारे बच्चों। As you know that the topic which is under discussion these days is market. Dear students, the word market is associated with numerous terms, and one among them is perfect competition. Dear students, what is perfect competition and when it is prevailing in the market? Let us understand it. The first condition which will say that there exists perfect competition in the market is that there are large number of buyers and sellers, and the second condition is homogeneous products, and the third condition is free entry and exit of firm, and the fourth condition is perfect information about the prevailing price. Now let me discuss with you people these conditions one by one. Dear students, as far as this the first condition, that is there are large number of buyers and sellers when there is perfect competition prevailing in the market. What does we mean by this statement? Dear students, the first condition of perfect competition is that there are large number of buyers and sellers in the market. The position of a single buyer or single seller is just like a drop in the ocean. That is, there are a large number of both buyers and sellers. So the position of any single buyer or any single seller is just like a drop in the ocean. The existence of large number of buyers and sellers producing and selling the product ensures that an individual seller or individual buyer exercises no influence over the price of the product. In other words, we can say that the output of any individual firm, that is the seller, constitutes a very small fraction of the total output of the whole market, so that any increase or decrease in output by any individual seller or by any individual firm has a negligible effect on the total supply of the product in the market. As a result, a single seller is not in position to influence the price of the product by increasing or decreasing the supply of the product. The individual firm under perfect competition therefore takes the price of the product as given and adjusts its sale so as to earn maximum profit. In other words, a seller or a buyer under perfect competition is price taker. The second condition of this perfect competition is that homogeneous products. What do you mean by this homogeneous products? Dear students, The second condition of perfect competition is that the products produced by all firms in the industry are fully homogeneous and identical. It means that the products of various firms are indistinguishable from each other. They are perfect substitutes for one another. This was the second condition. Yes, dear students, and the another condition of the perfect competition is that perfect information about prevailing price. This condition states that there exists perfect information for the seller, the price which is prevailing in the market, because only when all buyers know fully the current price of the product in the market, sellers cannot charge more than the prevailing price. If any seller tries to charge a higher price than the ruling in the market, the buyers will shift to some other sellers and buy the good at the ruling price, since they know what the ruling price in the market is. Similarly, or the sellers are also aware of the prevailing price in the market, and no one will charge less price than this. Now, the another condition of this perfect competition is that there is free entry and exit of firm. So perfect competition requires that there must be complete freedom for the entry of a new firm or the exit of existing firm from the industry in the long run. There must be no barrier to the entry of firm, since in the short run firm can neither change the size of their plants nor new plants can enter or old ones can leave the industry. The condition of free entry and exit therefore applies only to a long run equilibrium under perfect competition. This was all about perfect competition. What do we mean by perfect competition? So I hope that you would have got the concept. Thank you for today. Have a nice day. Allah Hafiz Nasir.